Hello and welcome. My name is Biagio Mazza, Pastoral Associate at St. Sabina Parish in Belton, Missouri, and I'm here to welcome you to another Do You Know series question. Today's Do You Know question is, do you know the 2023 theme for the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity? Every January 18th to the 25th, the worldwide Christian community gathers to pray for Christian unity. This is in response to Jesus' prayer in John 17:21 that prays that all may be one. So the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity began in 1908 and persists to this very day. Pope John the 23rd, as a matter of fact, called the Second Vatican Council with the explicit purpose of working towards Christian unity. So Christian unity is still something that we struggle with to this very day. So each year, the Vatican, in conjunction with the World Council of Churches, actually approves a theme and celebration events that become the focus of this Week of Prayer for Christian Unity, as well as praying for Christian unity throughout the entire year. The theme for 2023 is Do Good and Seek Justice, from Isaiah chapter 1, verse 17. The theme surfaced from the Minnesota Council of Churches in response to the call for equity and justice in the aftermath of the May 2020 murder of George Floyd in Minneapolis. There's a poster, an art poster that is also commissioned to visualize the theme. So the scriptural theme from Isaiah affirms that our God is a God of justice, requiring justice towards all, especially those oppressed, marginalized, and excluded. Isaiah's call for doing good and seeking justice towards all is and must be the job description of every disciple who claims to be a follower of the Lord. As disciples, we are challenged daily to model ourselves on Jesus, who, as a full human being, came to show us that as human beings, all can do good and act with justice. And so the oppressed, the marginalized, the excluded, we are called not only to do justice, we are called to demand justice for all. Justice requires that all are treated with dignity and respect, making sure that all, especially the oppressed, excluded, and the marginalized, have what is needed for a dignified life. Now, the poster that has been commissioned to visualize this theme is a very powerful one in the sense it's two panels with the Isaiah phrase right in the middle. In the lower panel, it has various hands reaching upward in the midst of the reddish murky color, evoking the heat and the pain of confusion, chaos, disunion, and warfare, which often lead to oppression, division, mistreatment, and injustice. The hands reaching upward long for goodness and justice. In the upper panel, the hand of Jesus reaches down from the calm of the heavenly realms to offer comfort to those in pain from oppression, persecution, and hunger. There are nail marks in Jesus' hand that indicate that our God suffers with us. God came and became one of us and offered himself for us so that we could all become children of God, united as one human family. And so, as one human family, we are called to care, do good, and practice justice with one another. Our God walks with us in our suffering and offers us the gift of peace through how? Through justice, mercy, and compassion. Between the two panels is the phrase from Isaiah chapter 1, verse 17, do good, seek justice. This year is important. As you reflect on the theme for this year, it's always important to strive to do what Isaiah challenges us to do and what our Lord challenges us to do good, to seek justice for all. Because why? This is our call, this is our mission, this is what God desires of us. And so I hope this has helped to explain just a bit of what the theme is for the 2023 year of Week of Prayer for Christian Unity. And I hope you'll return again to more of the Series questions as we continue to delve into our faith and our traditions. Thank you very much.